Welcome to Google Challenge number 5. Today we're going to take a look at how slides can be used to annotate and reflect on student learning. Traditionally, we think of slides as a presentation tool. However, with the feature of GAFs, there's many other options of how we could use slides. For today's challenge, the first thing we need to do is we need to go into Google Drive and open up our Google Challenge binder that we previously created. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to New and down to Google Slides. Because we're creating something within a Google shared folder, it's going to have a pop-up that just says you're creating it in a shared folder, and you simply hit OK. As always, when it opens up, the first thing you want to do is name your document. We're going to call this GC for Google Challenge and our name. The next thing we need to do on the first slide is add our name. If you wanted to, you could add additional themes. I'm simply going to exit themes. Once we have our first slide done, we're going to go up to the plus sign, and the drop down in the corner, you can select a blank slide for your next slide. After that, we're going to go up to the toolbar, click Insert, and select Image. In our images, we need to click Google Drive in order to find the picture that we took yesterday. We're going to go into our Google Challenge binder and simply touch the picture to select it and press the select button. Since it's selected with the blue box around it, if you wanted to, you could resize or move your image anywhere on the screen. There's a number of ways that you could add feedback on a picture. For today, we're simply going to use the note at the bottom. After you've added some feedback or reflection at the bottom of the note space, you're finished within your Google slide for right now. The one neat thing is that if you were to use Google Slides in this way, you could continue to add slides as artifacts of student learning. You could share this presentation that could be shared between you and the student, or it could be shared with parents to view their students' work. Now that I've done this, I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom tab and open up today's assignment. At the bottom, there's the option to add a file. We're going to pick Google Drive, and once again go into your Google Challenge binder, select the slide we just created, and hit Add. Once you've done that, you'll see that your slide presentation has been added from your Drive into Classroom, and we'll simply hit Turn In, and the green check mark will appear that you're done for today. Thanks for joining.